Tashi Dilip, today here I, on behalf of all the Tibetans around the globe, would like to condemn the Twitter post by so-called Pakistani origin journalist Samira Khan. So this allegation is baseless and totally fake, and due to her poor knowledge about Tibetan Buddhism and about His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Secondly, how she can call her a Muslim if she cannot raise a voice of Uyghur Muslim suffering in China. So she must make apologize the post she tweeted. Thank you.